So finally guys, we are today in the Chettinad. So we have come here to try our biggest 5 feet dosa. So do you want to see? Yes, right? So let's go.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Guys. I believe our dosa is here. Are you excited, Vanashri, to eat it? Oh my god, Bahubali dosa. Thank you. I think we need to sleep. This is much bigger than my bed. It's a bedsheet actually. Guys, they did not even wait. They are just opening because they are feeling very hungry. I feel like. How is the taste, guys? Nice. Yeah. But do we have like potato? So potato is not inside; it's outside, which is crispy. So let's eat the first bite. Crispy. It's very crispy. It's nice. Very crispy, guys. What do you think? Are you going to finish it?
People have told it's not good, but I liked it.
But can we finish this?
Two, I will finish.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
I'm not at all a morning person, but I don't know. I'm just eating it because I'm liking it.
It tastes better because it came early. The batter is fresh. In the night, what is it? In the night.
But you know, even 4 people cannot finish this. Very big. Finish. Finish it.
We freeze it. It is funny. Coffee?
Bitter coffee है? शुगर प्लीज मेरे में ज्यादा मत डालिए, बहुत कम.
अरे मुझे चक्कर आने लग गया अब.
हम दोनों में एक हो सकता है. और शुगर.
हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है.
How much you can put in it?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.
Yeah, there is. There are many places, many places. We have got the coffees as well. South Indian typical type of filtered coffee is here. That's how we drink, right? That sound is very necessary. Nice. How about you, sir? Nice, right? Now it's my turn. It's very strong and no sugar. That's what I love. So finally we are on the halfway. Vishnu, I think he has already cleared this much and he was super hungry and he could eat this much, and I'm so surprised because I was thinking we could not finish this, but luckily we did. So we have the chutneys, and so let's start with first one. So this one is the original, made with coconut, so it is pure white chutney. And this one we have the green one, which is made up of green chili and coriander. So this one will be a little spicy, and this is a little sweetish and spiciest because this one has tomato and red chili also, so that's why we got this color. And here we have the potato bhaji, so everybody loves that to have it with the dosa. And this one is sambar, which is a typical Indian, South Indian.
A few moments later.
So finally we are done with our meal, and look at mine, I only ate the upper part because it was crisp. And here she goes, she also ate same like me, half a bit. And here comes Vishnu, the winner. he literally ate all of them. Like, I think he was so hungry, he did not have for 2 days meal, I feel. Because yes, he was diet for 2 days and he literally finished all of his diet here. Yeah, but literally it's a hats off. Yeah, you had finished like almost let's say 1.5 feet, because it's a 5 feet of dosa. So let's say this is 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, maybe 2 feet he already finished. 2 feet he finished, and we could not even finish 1 feet. If you compare it, like, it's like, yes. So I think if there was one more person, it looks like it's a bed sheet. Yeah. So it was really nice experience, and will you guys gonna come back once again? It's a very good restaurant as well. I can. Yeah, it's a good one. You can also make your birthday celebrations as well. I can show you this way. It's a family dining here, and this is the way inside. And here you can also do the parties. You know, there is like a small banquet hall, but it's along with the dining tables. But still, if you want to celebrate some party, birthday parties and everything, it's a good place over here as well. And look at it, it's very beautiful, very pretty. And this was our place where we actually sat. And here is our bill at the end. It was like, for Bahubali it is 56 reals, guys. So if you need any time, please do come. So guys, finally I am done, and we all are done with our food, and it was so amazing, so nice. So if you want to also try the same Bahubali, the dosa, you can definitely come here, which is in Chettinad Aryas in Beering Road. It is very good location, and you will get everything whatever you like, and it's exactly the same taste like proper South Indian one. So I am South Indian person. As a South Indian person, I'm definitely recommending you to come over here and at least try this once, because it's kind of an experience. It's just one-time experience in your whole life. So definitely come visit. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.